Hello folks, it's Hunter. It's been a while, but this is going to be a good video. I took a little 2-month break from YouTube because of the 2-year anniversary, thought it would match. So now we're going to go fishing, and we're going to use bluegills as bait. Oh. And there's an iguana right there. Alright. Here's what we're going to be using for bait. We're going to be using bluegills. There's some massive one in there. I caught 3 peacock bass already today, and then I decided, alright, I'll just film it. So now we have a bunch of big bluegills, and we're going to use them to catch massive bass. And here's what we're using. Nice bluegills. And let's use it. And we've already got a bite. Let's set the hook. It feels like a peacock bass. I can't see it yet. No, it's a peacock bass. It is. I knew it by the head shakes. Oh my gosh, the tarpon, the tarpon. You probably can't see it because of the glistening, but a big shadow. Wait, here's the peacock bass. Much less important. Oh my gosh, it's right there. Maybe I can get him to try to eat the peacock bass. Maybe that's what he's here for. Go swim, little fella. Holy flip. Okay, I'm not gonna torture this peacock bass. Alright. Well, that was pretty neat. Let's get him in the boat, and we're gonna measure him because I'm starting to keep data. Folks, I just let him go. He came out to 14 inches. And he took a massive bluegill. He was 14 inches. It was a female. Saw the tarpon. We caught him in the southeast corner. Let's carry on. Another massive bluegill that we're going to be using. Alright folks, another fish. Let's try something. Oh, flip. Came out. Well, I'm using circle hooks because I don't want them to swallow it, but sometimes they just don't set the hook. And there goes a largemouth right there. Alright folks, we have another fish going off. Let's do it. Oh yeah, that's a nice one. Whoa! Whoa! This is a nice one. I think it's a big largemouth. Whoa, 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 whoa. I'm using a big bluey, so... Oh no, it's just a huge peacock bass. Whoa. Nice one. Nice one. Nice. Nice. Alright. Got them all tired out. Get in the boat, get in the boat, get in the boat. Yes. Nice peacock. Let's measure them. Folks, that's my 5th fish. Fifth fish. And they've all went out to 14 inches exactly. Each single one of them. They must be from like the same pack or something. Breed, school. Same birthplace, I don't know. Alright folks, another fish, another dollar. closer, will you? Whoa, what is that? Dude, it's a huge largemouth. It's a massive largemouth. Right there. Maybe he wants to try to eat it? I'm not sure, but that's a huge largemouth that's following him. Bro, that thing is freaking massive. Dude, look at that thing. I think that peacock's like 10 inches. And that thing's like triple its size. There it goes, it's gone. Let me unhook this peacock. Dude, it looks like a catfish, but I can tell by the tail that it's a largemouth. Yeah, in the face. Alright, let's try to catch that one. I'm gonna put on a big bluey for